Do you feel like you don't speak enough Swahili? That you need to know more words? Then stick around. With these lessons, you'll pick up some of the most common words in just a few minutes. Now, this video is a small portion of our learning program. To get the full lessons, translations, and Fluency Fast study tools, click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account.
In this video, you'll learn 20 of the most common words and phrases in Swahili. Hi everybody, my name is Beatrice. Welcome to the 800 Core Swahili Words and Phrases video series. This series will teach you the 800 most common words and phrases in Swahili. But there's a twist. With each new lesson in this series, we will include the previous lessons at the end. So, after you have read the new words and phrases, stick around and review what you read in the previous lessons. Reviewing is one of the most important parts of learning a language. You can also get the full list right now at swahilipod101.com. Click the link in the description to access more example sentences, create your own flashcard deck, and finally, master Swahili. Okay, let's get started. First is Jambo. Hello. Jambo. Jambo. Hello. Jambo. Naweza ongea na Anna? Hello. Can I speak to Anna? Jambo. Naweza ongea na Anna? Niwie radhi. Excuse me. Niwie radhi. Niwie radhi. Excuse me. Niwie radhi. Naweza angalia mzigo wako? Excuse me. May I please check your luggage? Niwie radhi. Naweza angalia mzigo wako? Kumladhi. I'm sorry. Kumladhi. Kumladhi. I'm sorry. Kumladhi. Nimechelewa. I'm sorry, I'm late. Kumladhi, nimechelewa. Lala salama. Good night. Lala salama. Lala salama. Good night. Nitaondoka sasa. Lala salama. I'll go now. Good night. Nitaondoka sasa. Lala salama. Nina furaha kukutana nawe. Nice to meet you. Nina furaha kukutana nawe. Nina furaha kukutana nawe. Nice to meet you. Nina furaha kukutana nawe. Rehema. Nice to meet you, Rehema. Nina furaha kukutana nawe, Rehema. Habari gani? How are you? Habari gani? Habari gani? How are you? Habari gani, Mzee Juma? How are you, Mr. Juma? Habari gani, Mzee Juma? Ndio. Yes. Ndio. Ndio. Yes. Ndio, najua. Yes, I know. Ndio, najua. Hapana. No. Hapana. Hapana. No. Hapana, sijafika lakini niko njiani. No, I've not yet arrived, but I'm on the way. Hapana, sijafika lakini niko njiani. Asante. Thank you. Asante. Asante. Thank you. Asante, lakini sijakuagiza hii. Thank you, but I didn't order this. Asante, lakini sijakuagiza hii. Mimi ni I am. Mimi ni mimi ni I am. Mimi ni Maria. I am Maria. Mimi ni Maria. Kwaheri. Goodbye. Kwaheri. Kwaheri. Goodbye. Kwaheri, tutaonana jioni. Goodbye, see you in the evening. Kwaheri, tutaonana jioni. Mbaya. Bad. Mbaya. Mbaya. Bad. Mwanamume ni mbaya. The man is bad. Mwanamume ni mbaya. Nzuri. Good. Nzuri. Nzuri. Good. Mboga ni nzuri kwa mwili wako. Vegetables are good for you. Mboga ni nzuri kwa mwili wako. Rembo. Pretty. Rembo. Rembo. Pretty. Nguo yako ni rembo sana. Your dress is very pretty. Nguo yako ni rembo sana. Sawijika. Ugly. Sawijika. Sawijika. Ugly. Mbwa yule amesawijika mno. That is a very ugly dog. Mbwa yule amesawijika mno. Rahisi. Easy. Rahisi. Rahisi. Easy. Bidhaa yao ni mpya, ni maridadi na rahisi kutumia. Their new product is really elegant and easy to use. Bidhaa yao mpya ni maridadi na rahisi kutumia. Ngumu. Difficult. Ngumu. Ngumu. Difficult. Hisabati ni ngumu. Mathematics is difficult. Hisabati ni ngumu. Karibu. Near. Karibu. Karibu. Near. Naishi karibu na chuo kikuu. I live near the university. Naishi karibu na chuo kikuu. Mbali, far. Mbali, mbali, far. Mwanamke anatazama kitu kilicho mbali zaidi. The woman is looking at something far away. Mwanamke anatazama kitu kilicho mbali zaidi. Ndogo, small. Ndogo, ndogo, small. Ndogo sana, very small. Ndogo sana. Well done! In this lesson, you expanded your vocabulary and learned 20 new useful words. Click the link in the description and sign up for free at swahilipod101.com to get access to full list of vocabulary you need for daily life conversation. You'll also get example sentences, custom flashcard decks, and more learning resources. See you next time. Kwaheri!
Remember, here's what you can do to learn all of these words by heart. Drill these words with our spaced repetition flashcards, which will help cement these words into your long-term memory. Save them to the word bank, your personal vocabulary collection, where you can print out your own study sheets, or review the words with our looped vocabulary slideshow, and play it until you know all of the words. So click the link in the description right now and sign up for your free lifetime account to get these lessons and study tools.